up, Demon Hunters. Takedown. Let's do it. First move, we're gonna brush our shoulders side to side. We go right and left. Try it. 5, 6, 7. We go right and left. Amazing. From here, we're going to bring our arms up to the right and up to the left. We go up and up. Try it one more time. Up and up from the top. 5, 6, 7. Brushes. Brush, brush. Bring it up, up. Again. 5, 6, 7. We go brush, brush. Bring it up. One more time. 5, 6, 7. We go brush, bring it up. From here, we are going to do our power pose and our power push. Yes, so we push to the side, a push, try it one more time. Push and push from the top. 5, 6, 7. We go brush, brush, bring it up, power push to the side. One more time from the top. 6, 7. We go brush, brush, and up. We go push. Let's move on. Amazing. From here, we go punch up and up. We're defeating the bad guys. And again, up and up. Try it. To the right first, and then to the left. One more time. Up and up. Great. From here, we go punch up left side. We go cross, cross like you're making a shield. And then you are bursting it and saying, hey. That was cross, cross, and hey. Yeah, again, 5, 6, 7. We go cross, cross, and out. One more time. 5, 6, 7. We go cross, cross, and out. From the top. 5, 6, 7. We go brush. Bring it up. Push, push. Defeat the bad guys. Up and up. Use your shield, shield. Hey, yes, try it with music. Click the next link.